Hi, this is Dr. Henry Way, and I'm here to show you how you can log symptoms like diarrhea automatically using your voice on iPhone. So you'll want to go to Shortcuts. In Shortcuts, you'll be able to create a special shortcut to log a symptom to the iPhone Health app. You'll open up Shortcuts and then hit the plus button, and then create a new shortcut from there. From there, you can actually search for log health or log. You should be able to find it fairly quickly, log health sample. All right, so you'll select that as the action in this shortcut, and the type we'll just choose here is diarrhea. You can actually choose from multiple, but we'll just use that for this example. So once you've chosen diarrhea, now under date, you're going to go and select that field, and then right above the keyboard, you'll be able to scroll left and right to the actual fixed value of the current date, and just select that, and then hit done, and then done again, and that will actually save the shortcut. But here's the thing, the shortcut is what you actually have to say out loud to Siri for it to recognize what you want it to do. So we're going to go edit the name of that shortcut by hitting the three dots there. In the drop down, choose rename, and name it something like what you would say to Siri, like, I have diarrhea, or something like that. So you would say, hey Siri, and then you would say whatever your shortcut name is to have it automatically log that symptom that you've set up in this shortcut. All right, so from there, actually this is pretty straightforward. Once you have it, you can actually tap the shortcut if you wanted to just manually log it. But what you might do is basically say, hey Siri, and then it should pull up the Siri sound and the symbol, and you can say, I have diarrhea, and that's it. And it'll say done on the screen if you happen to have the screen up, and it will record it to the iPhone iOS Health app, and you can go and search for the actual symptom in your data. And here I have a few examples of tinkering with this earlier. But you'll be able to see under Show All Data a more detailed view also of when things were logged using that shortcut. So there you have it, a simple way to use Siri. And maybe, you're washing your hands or something like that, and you don't really want to touch your phone, or it's just easier for you. So thanks so much, and I hope this helps.